Hey there everyone, welcome back in dot programming language video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about constant. So constant is not changeable variable. Like if we assign a value to a constant and it will not changeable. So let's check, and we define constant like const, and you can see here I'm giving 100. If I try again to pass a ABC is equal to 200, and let's print ABC and see what's output is coming. Even it's giving us error. You can see this error dish. It's giving us error, can't assign the constant variable ABC. So if I print without assigning a value ABC, save and run, oh, it's correct. And if I check here, runtime type save, it's a integer. So this is a concept of constant, and so even use in various programming languages in like C++. So that's all this tutorial. From next tutorial we'll discuss about operators.